Setting up your new Premier platform base does not require any tools, and it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Step 1. Slide the product out of the packaging and set the box aside. Step 2. Unfold each half and secure the heavy-duty support legs to the frame with the pre-installed wing nuts. Step 3. Turn over each half and secure the two sides together with the 3 retaining clips provided, and you're finished. This steel frame supports up to 3,000 pounds and allows for extra storage underneath the platform. The Premier platform frame also has optional Premier headboard brackets and hideaway drawers.